Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by laying out a 5-meter net saree on a flat surface. Inspect for pulls and loose threads and trim carefully. Wear a petticoat tied firmly at the navel to support net fabric. Select a fitted blouse that sits 3 fingers below the collarbone for balanced proportions. Iron the net gently on low heat with a cloth over it to prevent burns. Keep safety pins, a 1-inch belt, and a brooch within reach before you begin draping at the plain end and tuck it into the petticoat at the right hip. Continue tucking and wrap the saree once around the waist until you reach the starting point. Create 5 to 7 neat pleats, each about 3-5 inches wide, holding them evenly together. Align the pleats and tuck them into the center front of the petticoat just below the navel. Secure the pleats with a safety pin and fasten a 1-inch belt to keep them stable. Bring the remaining fabric over the left shoulder to form the palu and allow a 2-5 feet drop for an elegant fall. For a clean look, pleat the palu into 6 to 8 narrow folds approximately 18 inches long each. Secure the pleated palu on the shoulder with a small safety pin and add a decorative brooch on top. Tuck any excess at the shoulder for a smooth silhouette and use a 1-inch belt at the waist to maintain shape. Finish with 2-5-inch heels for proper.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.